Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. If you missed part 1 of my analysis over the weekend, make sure that you go check out that video. This is part 2. I'm going to be breaking down NIO and Workhorse inside of this video. I'm going to be doing complete technical analysis, just based, none of the news, just based off the charts, and see how the price action can help us get a great value on these stocks. So make sure that if you missed the other two over LCA and SBE, Switchback Energy or ChargePoint, go check out that video. And this video is just going to be strictly NIO and Workhorse to see if we could get a great value on these companies that have been so explosive over the last couple of months. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 4 free stocks valued up to $1,600 each. Once you get your 4 free stocks, you can either keep them in there and use the platform, or you can sell your 4 free stocks and withdraw your money. It is literally free money, so why not grab it while you have the opportunity? But once again, the link is down in the description. And also make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And while you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because once we get to 5,000 of you dreamers that hit the notification bell, we're going to do a giveaway on this channel. Right now, we're around 4,100 of you subscribers that have hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining the notification gang. I love it. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back YouTube. Here we are on NIO. We're going to do NIO first. Let's go ahead and pull up the 1 hour chart so we can get a little good look at it. Right here, you guys can see that the all-time on NIO was around $57, and right now the price point is at $41.96. So the first thing we're going to pull out is the Fibonacci retracement. You guys already know what it is. So we're going to pull it out from that low point right there, and I'll take it all the way up to the high point. And right now that we can see that NIO is in the golden zone. This might be a great buying opportunity for us, but let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to see if we're getting in too early or if it might fall back to the 618, because right now it is below the 180-day simple moving average, which is this green solid line right here. The MACD is still pointing down and not showing any green bars, so it might show signs that we might have to wait. But the RSI is saying that it's oversold, so let's go ahead and zoom in on the 15-minute chart right here. All right, there it goes. If we zoom out, it's the same Fibonacci thing, just every bar on here now is 15 minutes. So now that we're looking at it, the RSI is around the middle. It is showing some green bars. It's starting to flatten off on the MACD. But it is showing that it is having lower highs. By lower highs, I mean that this is a high point, and then it drops down. When it recovers, that's the next high point. And then it drop down, so that's the next high point. Each high point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is lower than the previous high point. That means it's on a downtrend pattern. If we draw a little chart right there, and draw it on a downtrend pattern right there. Let's draw that one. Let's move it just a little bit more. Bam, right there. All right, so it's on the downtrend pattern. It's having a hard time breaking above this trend line right here. That's a pretty solid trend line. Oh my God. It touches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And right now it is in the golden zone, trading below the 180-day simple moving average line right here. So if we zoom out, we might have a good opportunity to pick up NIO at an even cheaper price than $41.96. So my buying strike price for NIO this week will be anywhere from $40.38 and $36.59. So if it comes all the way down here to the 618, this is the 50. If it comes down to the 618, I'm going to buy a couple of shares of NIO. If you feel comfortable buying NIO, even though it's on a clear downtrend right now, it's on a very, very clear downtrend. If you're comfortable buying NIO in the golden zone, I'm not mad at you. Hey, it's in the golden zone, baby. But if you want to wait until it eventually breaks above this trend line, let's say if it goes down let's say if it goes down like this and then comes back up and then down and then comes back up and then down and then it breaks above the trend line while it's still inside the golden zone. Now it broke the trend line and it could be on its way back up to try to set a new all-time high. But right now NIO is on a downtrend and it's showing, but it's also in the golden zone, so it might be a good buying opportunity. But a great buying opportunity is probably to wait until it's down to the 0.618 and get it at a pretty good value. Now if we draw out another resistant line for NIO, it would be right here. My bad for drawing it all the way out to the left. There it goes. All right, so it touches once right here at $38 and at $38 even, touches again at $38 even, drops all the way down to right here, touches at $38 even. So NIO could trade within this flag pattern until it eventually meets up right here and has to make a decision to either drop down to the bottom part of the 618 or to break above and then start to go back on the uptrend pattern. So that is NIO for the upcoming week. So let's go ahead and look at Workhorse. Okay, Workhorse, let's zoom out a little bit. That was the 15-minute chart. Let's go back to the hour chart. Ooh-wee. You guys see what I see? I see it. Let me show you guys. All right, there we go. It is a clear support line right there. Bam, bam. All right, so that is a clear support line. It has a very hard time breaking below that. And then it has a clear, very, very clear resistance line right there. Ah, it's a little too high. All right, break that down. All right, there we go. All right, so that is the support line. It has a hard time breaking below that, and that is the resistance line. They have a hard time breaking above that. So the resistance lines is at $30.57, and the support line is at $15.20. So Workhorse has pretty much been trading. See right here, all them times it touched that line, it did not want to fall below $15. All right, so it's been trading sideways for the last couple of weeks or so. Yeah, it's waiting on the news on whether USPS is going to have this $1 billion contract with them or not. So it's pretty much trading sideways. So let's go ahead and pull out the Fibonacci right quick. Right, so that's the support line, clear as day. That's the support, and then that's the resistance line right there, and it is looking like it is in the 618 right now. So it might be a good buy. Now look at the difference right here. It is setting higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. All right, what I mean by higher lows is that's the low, and then that's the low. It's setting higher lows. Each time it dropped down, it is going on the way back up. So what we're waiting on, it is inside the 618. We're waiting for it to break above the green line right here, which is the simple moving average line. Once it breaks above the green line and the MACD crosses and points up, then we can pick it up inside the golden zone right here, pick it up inside the golden zone, and then ride it all the way back up to its old resistance point of $30. So we could pick up a couple of shares right here at 23 and ride it all the way back up to $30. So my suggestion is to wait until it breaks above the green simple moving average line, and then wait and buy inside the golden zone right here at the 50, ride it all the way back up to the 30, and then we're going to reassess ourselves once it reaches the new all-time high. But yeah, that is my plan for Workhorse this week. And there we go, guys. This is part 2. Part 1 covered SBE and LCA. This is part 2. It covered NIO and Workhorse. If you have any questions about anything I have done in these 2 videos, make sure you go down in the comment section and ask down below. There are a lot of people out there that are willing to help, and I'm going to try to get to every single conversation. I'm going to try to get to every single comment down there, my bad, and try to help you guys out on my process on how I'm able to buy these stocks low, ride them up, sell them high, and then ride them back low again, and then sell them high. That is how I'm able to grow my account so quickly over the last couple of weeks that I've been paying attention and doing these charts on these videos. So I come in every Sunday, I do these charts, and then over the week, if the charts add up how they were supposed to play out, then I had a pretty good week on that week. But 9 times out of 10, well, about 7 times out of 10, it goes exactly how it says it. The other 2 times, as long as I'm winning more times than I'm losing, I'm doing just fine. But make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up on this video. It helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And hit that notification bell. If you hit that notification bell, right now we're at 4,100. Once we get to 5,000 of you subscribers that hit the notification bell, we're gonna do a giveaway on this video. So make sure you hit that button so we could get to the giveaway even quicker. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.